Hello, my dear warriors. This is your Captain Shreyas. Welcome aboard. Good evening, my dear warriors. Hello, hello. How are you guys? I'm doing good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And welcome to the NCERT line by line series. All the warrior Pandus start trending WP. I want to start seeing warrior Pandus trending. Yes, WP, warrior Pandus, whistle Podu. Thank you so much, guys. I'm doing great. Excellent day. So, this series is meant to boost your preparation by, seeing every single aspect of NCERT. And like I said, even in the launch session, that NCERT has a lot of weightage and a lot of coverage in the NEET examination. A lot of questions picked from NCERT, even the statement-based questions, sometimes the in-text questions, the solved examples, and so many important tables, experiments, diagrams, everything directly as it is picked up by the NTA for your NEET examination. So we'll be starting off with units and dimensions, right? I hope you guys are all ready for it. Thank you for all the lovely comments, guys, and keep that Josh high throughout the session. And like I said, even during the launch session, this is going to happen for all the subjects: botany, chemistry, as well as zoology. And every day in the evening, that's what we are going to do this. The classes will be scheduled roughly at around 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock or 7 o'clock. And this is the first time this is happening on YouTube, especially on the English channels. So it's time to begin with the class and start off with units and dimensions with your Shreyas, your physics master teacher on the Vedantu NEET English, teaching kids for more than 13 years and sending kids of them into their dream medical colleges. It's your turn via this particular. Show your love and support button and subscribe to the number channel in the country. Have you done that? Subscribed already? Very good. Keep the chats flowing. Awesome. And smash that like button. Done. Dusted. Great. Let's move to the concepts now. Okay. I have taken snippets from NCERT and we'll be seeing all the important pointers one by one. Now, if you see the first paragraph of units and dimensions, the chapter 1, it talks about that measurement of any quantity involves comparison with some basic arbitrarily chosen internationally accepted reference standard called as a unit, okay, which a basic arbitrarily chosen internationally accepted reference standard which is called as a unit. The result of the measurement of a physical quantity is expressed by a number or a numerical measure accompanied by a unit. Although the number of the physical quantity appears to be very large, we need only a limited number of units for expressing different quantities since they are related with each other. And the units for the fundamental base quantities are called fundamental or base units. Okay. See, two lines they are talking about what is the meaning of a physical quantity and how it is expressed. I have fever. That means, okay, I have high fever, low fever. That is not a physical quantity. I might feel unwell. I am not feeling that great. That is not a physical quantity. I am feeling very happy, very excited. How excited I am. It's not a physical quantity. But what is my temperature? That is something which can be measured, can be given a numerical value. That is a physical quantity. Okay, I'm very excited and I can run. I have a lot of energy and I can run at 20 meters per second. So my speed becomes a physical quantity. But that, I'm very excited. It's not a physical quantity because there is no associated with it. So the first part talks about any physical quantity is always a number along with a unit. For another example, I can say my velocity or speed is 20, which is the number, and unit is meters per second. Force, let's say, is nothing but Newton. 9 is that number, Newton is the unit. Got it till this point? And they say that there are many physical quantities. So you might think there might be many units, a finite number of units. We have only certain units because we can express one unit in terms of which we'll be seeing in the due course of the chapter. That's what they are saying. Now, the next important point is right over here, that the units for the fundamental or the base quantities are called as fundamental or base units. The units of all other quantities which can be expressed as the combination of the base units, expressed as a combination of base units, they are called as derived units. And a complete set of these units, both the base units and the derived units, is known as the system of units. See, there are certain things which are like very basic and fundamental, and other things are dependent on it. For example, when I say velocity is nothing but displacement by time, this displacement and this time both are base or basically fundamental quantities. This velocity depends on these two, so they are said to be derived quantities. Same way, the volume of any cube can be said as side raised to the power 3. This side is our fundamental quantity. This volume becomes our derived quantity. Derived quantity. So same way, displacement being fundamental, what is it measured in? How many meters? So meters is the unit. Time is a